my channel, and today I'm going to be creating a look that I actually did for my Anastasia highlighter review video. And if you guys did not see it, I'll post a picture right here. It is this beautiful pink smoky eye with sparkles. Like, yeah, girl. So I'm going to be recreating that because everyone was like, oh my god, do a tutorial. So I was like, I'm gonna give you guys what you want to see. Before I start this video, give it a like if you enjoy, and subscribe down below to see more videos from me, and let's get into this video. So to start this look out, I dug right into this like dark brown color, and we're going to be creating like a halo effect on the eye. So we'll be placing it on the outer corner and dragging it to the inner corner. So now I'm just going to be taking this dark plum color right here and applying that also in the outer corner and inner corner. Now I'm just going to take the silver sparkles right here and apply that right in the center to create that hollow glitter look. Ah! Girl, it is so amazing, these freaking glitters. Like, go get yourself this palette because it is so freaking amazing. So I just went and added some mascara, and I just dragged the dark plum color under my waterline, and that's all I did for that. So that is it for the video. If you guys enjoyed, give it a like and subscribe down below to see more videos from me. And also, guys, leave requests for videos because I love to see what you guys want me to do, because I obviously want to make videos that you guys want to see. So let me know and I'll definitely check it out. So if you guys enjoyed this look, leave a comment and let me know if you tried it out because I want to know. And I'll also leave the palette down below of what I used today, which is this lovely baby right here. Best palette. See you guys in my next video. Bye!